Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So his wealth of experience and remarkable achievements make him the perfect speaker for this initiative. Sir, I welcome you to the colloquium and let us all join in extending the warm welcome to Dr. Roger Kumar. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Pratibha ji. It has really been an honor to be here. First of all, I would like to tell you, I'll have a very, very relaxed speech or whatever you want to say, a monologue with you guys. तुम लोग मेरी extension हो. Okay, I consider this college as, because of which I am sitting here today talking to you guys. So you guys are my extension. So let us have a very informal meet chat. और मैं चाहूँगा कि end of what I have spoken, at least 20% or 30% of you should stand up and ask me some questions. I would really love to do that. Okay. Regarding me, Pratibha ji ne abhi bola, I have started my own business. I am MD of Case Group. The journey has been very interesting, and because with this, I'm also doing some social work like Human Rights Protection Commission, and I'm also South Delhi head of PB News. I'm also independent director of which is recognized by Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So ये journey कहाँ start हुई? It's very interesting. Before I tell you something about how I did it, let me tell you कि मैं REC कुरुक्षेत्र में पहुंचा कैसे. REC कुरुक्षेत्र ही मेरे मुंह से निकलने वाला है क्योंकि हमारे टाइम पे ये NIT नहीं होता था. This was Regional Engineering College कुरुक्षेत्र. So we were called records. You of course are NITians. So that is going to be a difference. So मेरे मुंह से जो निकलेगा वो REC निकलेगा. So I took admission in 81 and I passed out in 86. हमारे टाइम पे हरियाणा में I belong to a place called Yamunanagar, which is not very far from Kurukshetra, only about I think 40-45 kilometers. हमारे टाइम पे +2 नहीं था, तो after 10th we need to go into a college where we used to do our prep और pre engineering, और उसके बाद में हम engineering colleges में जाते थे. So when I was studying for prep, 2 colleges which were 5-year degree course became 4 years. One of them were IITs and second was BITS Pilani. So all my dreams to go to IIT and BITS Pilani shattered, and all option I left was to come to REC Kurukshetra, now of course NIT Kurukshetra. I was like, with all my friends who were studying, we all got admission here. So from Yamunanagar, there were about 10 odd people who got admission in NIT Kurukshetra. When we reached here, and we thought कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, 1 साल के बाद 4 साल के अंदर हम एंट्रेंस एग्जाम दे देंगे IIT का या बिट्स पिलानी का, तो हम वहाँ चले जाएंगे. But when we came, we saw the campus, we saw the facilities, and when we met our friends, I was very clear that this is the place I want to be. This is the place where I want to study my 5 years of my life. And let me tell you guys, when you are 16, 17, and then you pass out, you are 20, 22-year-old. These are the formidable years of your life. You become from a boy to a man or a girl to a lady. So this is the time when everything is happening in your body also. Your hormones are also jumping. You need to study also. You need to excel also. Then you have a tension what you have to do in life. I've been here. जहाँ तुम लोग बैठे हो, मैं भी 40-45 साल पहले वहीं था. Intelligent, ambitious, and also very confused. कि क्या करना है, लाइफ कैसे चलेगी, कहाँ जाएगी, होता क्या है. You guys are very lucky. You have Google, you have so many search engines, you have lot of things, you have Facebook, you have LinkedIn, God not what all. Chat GPT भी आ गया आजकल. तो press of a button you can come to know कि क्या options हैं, क्या कर सकते हो. Imagine हमारे टाइम पे कुछ नहीं था. There was nothing. All we had was library, our teachers, our parents, or somebody, our friends, from which we could take any kind of guidance. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, जिस ऑडी में तुम लोग बैठे हो अभी, ये हमारे टाइम पे नहीं था. लाइब्रेरी भी आई थिंक हम फाइनल ईयर में थे तब बनी थी. तो वी हैड दैट टाइम वेरी स्मॉल लाइब्रेरी जो रात को नहीं चलती थी, तो इट वाज ओनली ऑन द डे. तो दोज वर द टाइम्स. आई हैव सीन द कैंपस नाउ. हमारे टाइम पे हॉस्टल के बाहर सब खेत थे, एंड देयर यूज्ड टू बी सम खोकास कियोस्क जो बाहर की साइड पे चाय वगैरह सर्व करते थे. तो दैट यूज्ड टू बी आवर मीटिंग पॉइंट. वहीं पे जाके हम आपस में गप मारते थे सारे स्टूडेंट्स. वी डिड नॉट रियलाइज जो हमने वहाँ उस टाइम पे बातें की थी, या हम लोगों ने उस टाइम पे जो भी व्हाट यू कॉल हमारे हिसाब से इंटेलिजेंट कन्वर्सेशंस करी थी, they became the basis of our lives today. And the friends are made at that time are lifelong friends who are still cherished today. We were 250 in our batch. I think I'm in touch with roughly 160 odd from my batch. And 40-50 of them are very, very close to me. So these are the friendships which you make. Probably हमारे टाइम पे क्योंकि और कुछ था ही नहीं करने को, we were all we had with for each other. So that's why the friendships were very, very. मैं इस चीज को स्ट्रेस इसलिए कर रहा हूँ किड्स कि this is what will help you later in life. It's a kind of networking which you guys are doing with each other, with your seniors and with your juniors in college. So when you pass out, all your help you're going to get is you're going to get from your seniors or your alumni, which have passed out from this college many years back. First batch, resident batch of this college was 65 batch, which is approximately 15 years senior to me. And I would tell you, we meet 65 batch people, and हम जब मिलते हैं तो हमारा वो 15 years का गैप बीच में से खत्म हो जाता है. We are just like as if we have studied together. And I always said to everybody, and even to my son, that REC Kurukshetra was a kind of a tunnel जिससे सब different time zones में पास हुए हैं. But उसके बाद में the actions and the reactions and the behavior of everybody normally is similar. Like even to the extent that my son sometimes told me many years back, "Hey, Papa, how come all your friends talk like you?" So funny, huh? But that is how it is. So all I thank for whatever I'm in life is this institute only. So because you are there, I'm stressing, come out of your rooms, kick your phone for some time and talk to each other. It is very important. Now that you're in college, make personal relationships, participate in all the curricular activities which are there in this college. Participate in all. You may not excel. That's a different story. स्पोर्ट्स में पार्टिसिपेट करो, डिबेट्स में करो, सब टाइप के क्लब्स हैं यहाँ पे. मैंने आके, प्रतिभा जी इज मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग, सो सब टाइप के क्लब है यहाँ पे. आप आके उनको देखिए, यू जॉइन देम. It doesn't take much of a time. It will only add to your personality. और सेकेंड चीज मैं तुम लोगों को बोलना चाहूंगा, सम फ्रेंड्स ऑफ यू जो इकट्ठे होके एक आदमी को कुर्सी पे खड़े होके 10 minutes बुलवाइए. Ask him to speak something. Any, if I can use that word, I don't want to use it here. Anything, if he wants to speak, let him speak for 10 minutes. Stand on the chair and speak in front of 10 people. This is what is going to take you to places. Start doing it today. I hope, I'm told that the students here are mainly from final and third year, right? So you start from today doing it. कोई और नहीं मिलता तो खुद ही चेयर पे खड़े हो जाओ, लेकिन खड़े हो जाना. खड़े होके नहीं करना, चेयर पे खड़े होके करना. उसका एक डिफरेंस है. वो तुमको पता चलेगा जब तुम खड़े हो गए, उससे पहले पता नहीं चलेगा. Do that, and it that increases your personality to an extent that you will be able to speak in front of any gathering, any situation, anything given to you at a point of time. That is the first thing in the personality which you need to add. Without that, I've seen in my experience, many people have knowledge, they have They are better equipped. But because they cannot speak at the right time, the right thing, they don't get what they deserve. So to overcome this, and I also know that in NIT Kurukshetra, people are coming from all over India. People come from different backgrounds. It is not necessary that people who are here come from English background. It doesn't matter. Our honorable Prime Minister cannot speak very good English, we all know. But he is not second to anything. I'm giving you an example. So English की वजह से, if you think that you cannot speak something, don't do that. Everyone will appreciate if you can speak in whatever language you're comfortable in, but you guys are engineers, okay? So try to use your engineering skills more. Whatever, if you can speak in English, very good, that's okay. In corporate life, people do appreciate if you speak better English, but that is should not be a curtain behind which you should say that, okay, I cannot speak in this situation or the other. Hindi is all right. You can convey yourself. And I think people now today in India are understanding this better than any time. So I passed out in 86. Second thing I want to tell you is I did in mechanical. So we had only one campus interview, only one company came, and luckily I got selected in that. It was a German company by the name of Heinlemann Limited. So when I joined that company, it had factory in Faridabad. Luckily for me, which I can tell you guys why I'm saying you this, it was a mediocre company. I mean, it was not a huge group like Tata's. It was not small Lala company also. It was a professional, well-organized company, but had a medium kind of a turnover. I took my training in their factory in Faridabad for about 30, 40 odd days. They told me 6 months. But after 30, 40 days, they shifted me to the sales office in Nehru Place in Delhi. Now again, luck struck me. In that office, there were only 10 people, director marketing, GM marketing, and 4 or 5 engineers like us, graduate engineers, trainees. So in that period of 2 years, which I was in that company, I was lucky enough to travel all over India alone and book the orders for this company. The turnover of this company, supposing it was X, we got orders worth 2X in 6 months. In the first 6 months of our marketing in that company. And the catch was, I was ready to travel all over the place because I have no liabilities. I love to travel. What taught me during that time was, अभी जो there will be confusion between you people also. एक बहुत simple चीज. How do you dispatch a material? What is the bank transaction? How does it take place? I'm sure 90% of you guys will not be knowing this. That you can send a material and then you can send the documents through bank and the payment comes in the bank, and then the other company can release the from the bank. This is a standard way to dispatch, but I did not know. I probably would not have known for another 10 years. He was working in a very big company, but because I was in a medium company, I was handling marketing, I was coordinating with the factory, I was also coordinating when are they dispatching, I was also coordinating the payments. So in 2 years, the company made me ready to start my own business. It's very important. The guys sitting there who wants to do something of their own should join not a very big company, not a very small company, but a medium kind of a company in which you are given full responsibility for a couple of years so that you can learn so much that you can have the confidence of starting something of your own. Now there is also a story why I wanted to start something of my own. I have one younger brother, almost same age, we were in the same class in school. He still is in Yamunanagar, he's a doctor. Our parents were in government jobs, so फर्स्ट सैलरी को फर्स्ट को एक सैलरी आती है. दीक्षित जी एंड प्रतिभा जी आर सिटिंग हियर. आई थिंक दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. फर्स्ट को सैलरी आती है, 30th से पहले खत्म हो जाती है, एंड वी एज किड्स यूज टू सी आवर पेरेंट्स, ये क्या हो रहा है यार, मतलब व्हाई इज दिस। सो एक वो आ जाता है कि किड्स डोंट वांट टू डू व्हाट पेरेंट्स हैव डन ऑल देयर लाइफ, सो वी नेवर वांटेड टू डू अ जॉब। एंड मी एंड माय ब्रदर टुक अ प्लेज टू ईच अदर कि 2 या 3 साल, इससे ज्यादा नहीं, वी हैव टू स्टार्ट समथिंग ऑफ आवर ओन। So he also started his own hospital from a garage in Yamunanagar, from our own house. Today he's having a hospital. So I also started then my company. I gave the resign in my this company. Luckily, that time, okay, interesting thing. When we were hired, we were given stipend of 1800 rupees. That time 1800 rupees अच्छा खासा amount था, अभी नहीं है. And after 1 year, I think they did 3000 or something. But the contacts which I made in market at that time, I had already started trading, from which I was making more than 10,000 rupees, 10K. So for me, I was ready to leave the job in the company that I was already making 10,000 per month of my own. So I could easily leave the company and then jump into the open market. And that's a very big decision. And it is better if you do before you are married, because there's a very important thing which I'm telling you guys. Liability nahi hoti. Your parents are there to help you all the time. Even if you fail, you can obviously do a job because you have that education with you. But if you are jumping in when you are married and you have kids, your responsibility is so high. Okay, because I know many of my friends who are in the same boat, you are not able to take that plunge. You are not able to take that risk. So entrepreneurship में जो लोग interested हैं, उनको I would request कि don't give it more than 2 to 3 years. But those 2 to 3 years are also very important. Na? Don't start your job, your business immediately. That is also very important. Because if you start something immediately, then there are many things which you will never learn. So you have to learn, work in a company. मैंने तो एक कंपनी में काम किया, एक और में I took a job, but I did not work there for a long time. But you guys should try and work in 1 or 2 companies to get the basic idea, होता क्या है. And then घुस जाओ, घुसना पड़ेगा, उसके बिना कुछ होता नहीं है. एक गाना है मेरा नाम जोकर का, मैंने उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लिया हुआ है तुम लोगों को सुनाने के लिए. और उस टाइम पे एक मेरा फ्रेंड था, वो भी जॉब में था, लेकिन उसने ये गाना सुनाया था मुझे उस टाइम. मैं तुम्हारे साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. गिरने से डरता है क्यों, मरने से डरता है क्यों, ठोकर तू जब तक ना खाएगा, पास किसी गम को न जब तक बुलाएगा, जिंदगी है चीज क्या नहीं जान पाएगा, रोता हुआ आया है, रोता हुआ जाएगा. गॉट इट? ए भाई, जरा देख के चलो, आगे भी नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं भी नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी. दैट इज व्हाट इज द जिस्ट ऑफ लाइफ. ओके, ये मेरा नाम जोकर का गाना है. ये लाइफ यही है. यू हैव टू, वो कहते हैं ना कि इफ यू वांट टू गो टू हेवन यू हैव टू डाई, राइट? विदाउट डाइंग डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग. You have to take a drastic step in your life to do anything. Marriage is one of them, for your kind information. Okay, so I took the dive. God has been nice, so I could take the same kind of behavior which I did in that company, because that was a mediocre company. I created the same corporate image, did not work like a lala in my organization, and slowly and steadily we started building from there. I started with something called Scaleban, non-chemical water treatment equipment, cooling towers, which is used to cool industrial water. Then we also entered into air pollution control devices. All these verticals that I kept added to my business I could see that there was a gap in the industry, and we were trying to fill those gaps which were there. And whichever technology we entered into, and this is going to be everywhere, let me tell you guys, whichever technology you will be entering into, there will always be scope to do it better. So if you can realize that scope and measure it properly and adopt it quickly, there is nothing which will stop you guys to grow. And more recently, we are doing coal gasification, converting coal into coal gas. These are used for thermal application. It replaces diesel fuel, uh, furnace oil in industry, and it is much, much cheaper. And it decreases the import of crude oil into India. More recently, we have getting into technologies from coal to useful chemicals like methanol, which is used will be used to blend into diesel and petrol, ethanol, then urea, then ammonium nitrate. So doing all this will better our balance of payment of this country. We can contribute to the idea called India, and yeah, because our balance of payment needs to be improved drastically, because as you're saying, our rupee is falling as compared to dollars. That is the only way we can do that. So ये सब technologies में हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. We also working in carbon neutral technologies to keep. If you guys know, India has promised in COP to go carbon neutral by 2070. So we are also working in that direction to put all the technologies, incorporate them so that we can capture carbon, and end result should be that India should be carbon neutral much before 2070. We are working from coal to hydrogen technologies. Green hydrogen is one way to make hydrogen, but today the rate of that is 300 rupees plus. And if you make by coal, it is only 50 to 40 rupees. So what I'm suggesting is that you should do the ecosystem of hydrogen through coal, and then when you develop the technologies of green hydrogen, that ecosystem can be transferred to green hydrogen, so that we can use hydrogen in our vehicles, we can use hydrogen for thermal applications, we can use hydrogen for power plants, so that the carbon neutrality comes in quicker than later, as it is envisaged by Indian government. So these are all the things that I'm doing, and yeah, that is what is my history and my background, how I did everything. Anybody who wants to ask me something, you're most welcome, and I would love you to ask me questions. I'll be very happy to answer. I think we can open the forum, Pratibha ji. Before I conclude, I would like to thank, I can see Professor Dixit sitting here, Professor Pratibha. I've been after them, alumni or students ka, you should have some kind of interaction, because it is very, very much needed for this institute. Our students do not what our alumni are doing, because that is very, very important. Your alumni today are, I was seeing what Dinesh came in the first episode and talked to your people, are at आपने LNT की भी स्टोरी सुनी होगी, डोंट स्टेयर एट योर वाइफ. ही इज आल्सो माय सीनियर. he is also from your college, who told के वाइफ को संडे को देखने से बोर हो जाते हैं, you should come to work. So you have your alumni all over the place. So all types. If I name you some, NTPC chairman is your alumni, your LNT, as I told you, the chairman is your alumni, and I think all these organizations, ONGC, GAIL, your alumni are all over the place. So you should be very, very proud of it. And आपको alumni का मैंने ट्राई भी किया था, आई थिंक हो भी रहा है. We are developing a website on which alumni and students can come together and have their interaction. That is my vision for this institute, so that at least you guys should come to know and get help in your jobs or in internships, and you can openly come on an open platform and ask. Of course, it can be routed from college or whatever, but there should be a direct interaction between alumni and students. That is my vision. We should take it from there. Anything you guys want to ask, I'll be very, very happy to answer.
Sir,
Can't hear you, Pratibha ji.
we are asking the students to ask the questions.
I'll mute when you guys are speaking. नहीं तो मेरी आवाज आपके यहाँ आएगी तो वो echo होती है. And you also mute when I'm speaking because otherwise वो echo हो रही है. I can see it. Yeah, students, please go on. And I want यहाँ कितने लोग बैठे हैं? प्रतिभा जी, how many students are sitting here?
Hello. It was a very nice
Above
informative session.
200 hai.
200. Okay, Nikhil, go on, please.
Yes, sir. So my question was, if you could share a funniest incident from your hostel life, like how do you used to pass time and all?
ओके, लकीली हमारे एग्जाम टाइम में ना 3 दिन की छुट्टी मिलती थी, तो 2.5 दिन हम रात को, आई डोंट नो इफ आई कैन टेल दिस और नॉट, 3 पत्ती खेलते हो सब लोग? खेलते हैं? सो वी यूज्ड टू प्ले
Yes,
दैट
sir.
टिल पूरी रात, शुभ को 5
We play
बजे
card
सो
games
जाते
like
थे.
bluff and all.
तो 2.5 दिन तो वेस्ट हो जाते थे जब तक टेंशन क्रिएट नहीं होती थी. अब टेंशन क्रिएट होती थी तो सब कुछ अंदर डायरेक्ट जाता था. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर एक टेक्स्ट बुक लेके कुछ हमारे क्लासमेट्स रिच होते थे, वो खरीद के लाते थे टेक्स्ट बुक्स. तो जैसे 12 चैप्टर हैं या 20 चैप्टर हैं तो उसके 20 पार्ट्स बन जाते थे और 20 रूम्स में सर्कुलेट होती थी. ओके, वन टेक बैक होम आई टेल यू गाइस, इस इंस्टीट्यूट का पढ़ने का ये है कि अगर तुम्हारा सुबह 8:30 बजे एग्ज़ाम है और रात को 12 बजे आपने वो एग्ज़ाम पास करना है और इतनी मोटी बुक है जिसको पढ़ना है, तो वो हो जाता था. आज कैसे होता है मेरे को आज तक नहीं पता, वो हो जाता था और 80% नंबर भी आते थे, यू नो. और वो ही एक प्लस पॉइंट है इस इंस्टीट्यूट का. मैं इसका एग्जांपल मैंने कई बार दिया है, कई फॉरम्स में दिया है. हाउ वी यूज्ड टू डू इट वी डोंट नो. देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स मैं तुमको ओपन प्लेटफॉर्म पर नहीं बता सकता कि क्या क्या करते थे, लेकिन जो मैं बता सकता हूँ वो बता दिया तुमको. हमारा ज़्यादातर टाइम खोखे पे बीतता था. मंथली टेस्ट के एक दिन पहले पढ़ा जाता था एंड वी यूज्ड टू वॉमिट इट आउट एंड देन फॉरगेट अबाउट इट. बट यहाँ पे 5 साल जो मेरे निकले हैं उसमें पढ़ाई की ज़्यादा याद नहीं है. उसमें याद है टुगेदरनेस की. हाउ वी यूज्ड टू प्ले गेम्स, आई यूज्ड टू प्ले टेनिस, आई रिमेंबर. एंड हाउ वी यूज्ड टू पार्टिसिपेट एवरी डे. उसके बाद हम लोग, उस टाइम आईसीयू होता था एक कॉफ़ी हाउस यूनिवर्सिटी में, तो वहाँ हम रोज़ जाते थे शाम को एक बार, वापस आके देन 1-2 बजे तक वहाँ पे बैठे रहते थे खो-खो पे. तो दैट्स हाउ वी स्पेंट आवर लाइफ. अभी तो मैंने देखा है कि तुम्हारे हॉस्टल्स के चारों तरफ 4 दीवारी बन गई है एंड ऑल दैट हो गया है, चौकीदार भी बाहर बैठ गया है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट आर योर टाइमिंग्स फॉर बॉयज आल्सो. देयर इज नथिंग बैड और गुड इन दैट. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज दैट whatever you do, whatever means you have, learn to enjoy that. Are you getting the point, Nikhil? That is what life is all about. Enjoy that to the brim. और अभी मैं तुमको वही चीज बोलना चाहता हूँ that you guys have each other in the hostel. This life is not going to come back to you. You will basically you will going to miss it. वो अभी enjoy कर लो, उसको अच्छे से celebrate कर लो, right? Anybody else wants to ask me something?
Yes, sir.
निखिल, तुम क्या करते हो? How do you take out your time? Okay, there is someone else.
क्लियर. सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि सर मेरे को एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है. अब मेरे दिमाग में एक आइडिया है जिस पे मैं काम करना चाहता हूँ, तो उसको मैं अभी कॉलेज के साथ साथ ही करता रहूं या जॉब में जाने के बाद उस पे काम करूं?
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कर रहे हो और ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो, क्या करना चाहिए बता? कि तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What's your name? What is his name?
सर पुलकित अग्रवाल.
पुलकित तुम बताओ क्या करना चाहिए?
सर मतलब मेरे पास एक आइडिया है जिस पे मैं काम करना चाहता हूँ,
हाँ वो सुन
बट
लिया।
लेकिन
अभी तुमने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा है उसका आंसर
अभी
तुमको
मैं
पता है,
डिसाइड
तो कुछ
बट लेकिन अभी डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहा मैं।
ओके डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहे तो तुम्हारा एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का आइडिया है ही नहीं। अभी
सर
एक चीज
डिसाइड
समझ
ये नहीं
लो।
कर पा रहा कि अभी उस पे
हम्म
काम करूं या अभी जैसे जॉब में लगने के बाद उस पे काम करूं, मतलब थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस गेन करने के बाद।
तो अभी काम करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या? अभी कर लो, अभी से अभी अभी अभी।
नो सर, प्रॉब्लम तो कोई नहीं है।
फिर व्हाट डू यू वांट टू वेट? एक आजकल ना नया ट्रेंड स्टार्ट हो गया है। वो क्या होता है, रात को आइडिया आता है कि मैंने सुबह नया जोमेटो स्टार्ट करना। वो 10 सेकंड बोला, 10 मिनट बोला, मैंने 1 मिनट बोलना है, तो उसमें मेरे को 200 मिलियन का ग्रांट आ जाएगा। सुबह उठ के मैंने पुलकित अग्रवाल का कार्ड छाप लिया, फाउंडर एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ एबीसीडी कंपनी, और मेरे को उसका ग्रांट आ गया। ठीक है, 2-3 मिलियन, तो मैं कंपनी स्टार्ट कर ली। उसको भूल जाओ बेटा, ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता। ओके, दीज आइडियाज आई एम नॉट सेइंग दे आर बैड। जोमेटो उसी पे ऊपर छलांग मार रहा है, और वो 2 मिनट्स के आइडिया के ऊपर दे नॉट बैड, बट यू हैव डन एन इंजीनियरिंग। डू समथिंग, ट्राई एंड डू समथिंग विद ब्रिक एंड मोटर, मतलब जो कि हवा में नहीं हो, नजर आए। ओके, और नजर आएगा तो वो
सर
ग्रो करेगा प्रॉपरली। जोमेटो गलत नहीं है, लेकिन ऐसे 1 करोड़ आइडिया में से एक जोमेटो बनता है। यू अंडरस्टैंड? इफ यू हैव दैट इन यू, मोस्ट वेलकम, डू इट टुमारो। और ये तुम्हारा जो क्वेश्चन है कि अभी स्टार्ट करूं कि बाद में स्टार्ट करूं, अगर अभी कर सकते हो तो अभी कर लो ना। व्हाट इज, कॉलेज तो आपको स्टॉप नहीं करता कुछ भी करने के लिए।
नो सर, नो
Then
सर।
what is the problem? Do it. And I know many people who are doing it, being a student. Okay?
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
So, okay, welcome. Anybody else?
Hello. Uh, am I audible to you, sir?
Yeah, you're audible. Go on. Go ahead, you're audible.
Okay, so sir, as you mentioned that you also went through a phase of confusion when you were in our place. So when you now look back and reflect, how do you see that confusion? Also, what would you advise to people who are right now going through it?
See, what is your name?
Uh,
What's your name?
sir, it's Kamakshi.
Okay, Kamakshi. At your age, confusion jaiz hai. It has to be there. Till you're not confused, you will not do anything. Confusion is good. Okay? Because you're confused. Why? Because you have many options in your mind, right? You don't know what to do, what is good for you, what is bad for you. And believe me, when you start doing something, वो ऐसी चेन बनेगी, वन आफ्टर द अदर, वो कंफ्यूजन अपने आप क्लाउड खत्म होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। बट यू पिकअप, आई गिव एन एग्जांपल। दो दोस्त होते हैं, ठीक है, दे मीट आफ्टर 10-20 years, वन ऑफ देम बिकम वेरी सक्सेसफुल, अदर गाय इज मीडियोकर। सो जो नहीं होता ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल, उससे पूछता है, यार हाउ डिड यू बिकम सो सक्सेसफुल, मेरे को भी बता। ही सेड नथिंग यार, आई जस्ट जंप्ड अपॉन अपॉर्चुनिटीज। ही सेड मुझे भी समझा दे भाई, हाउ डिड यू जंप अपॉन अपॉर्चुनिटीज? ही सेड इट्स वेरी सिंपल, आई केप्ट ऑन जंपिंग। ओके, you have to keep jumping and you will click somewhere. Hold on to that. Start your journey from there. Everything doesn't click. Okay? Whatever clicks, start your journey from there. बाद में अपने आप क्लैरिटी आ जाएगी तुम। Got it? So whatever little opportunity you have in whichever sector you get, grab it. Better opportunity मिलती है, उसको grab करो। उससे better मिलती है, उसको grab करो। There was a time when I just passed out and it was a joke between my friends also. मेरे wallet से बिजनेस कार्ड निकलते थे, तोताराम हलवाई वाला। You understand what I'm trying to say? I used to meet such guys also trying to do something. There was a time when I wanted to sell the trash, because ये जो अखबार इकट्ठा करते हैं, ये तुमसे जो रेट लेते हैं, ये आगे जाके 10 टाइम्स बेचते हैं पेपर मिल्स में. Okay, and I wanted to do that at that point of time because I saw there was a gap. So I was meeting all these kawadiyas, and I was meeting those people who could pick up this thing from the. You have to keep working. Your brain should be moving till you go to a place which is good enough, comfortable for you, technical for you to use your brain. One thing you will learn in this college is that तुम्हारा लॉजिकल थिंकिंग बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है आफ्टर डूइंग इंजीनियरिंग. It doesn't mean you will pursue everything that you've done. Many people go in different, they go in finance, they go in different things. मैंने तो लोगों को टैक्सी चलाते हुए देखा, मतलब नॉट चलाते हुए, hiring 1,000 taxis and running it, just like Ola or something. He's an engineer. Now, it doesn't mean that you cannot do all that. Logical thinking, what is in you, when you use it, it'll work out. Clouds will go by themselves, right? But keep working. Don't get confused and keep sitting, I'm confused. Grab the first thing, right? All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anybody else?
Good evening, sir. This is Tarun Pant. Sir,
Good evening, Suhash.
I had a similar question. Like, आपके college days में, sir, आपके college days में, would there be any?
I can't hear you. You are muted, Suhash.
I'm pursuing my degree in production and industrial department. So I had that query that how, as an entrepreneur, like what are the as in like help you?
You're
in
not
your
audible
journey,
properly. You're not
uh,
audible.
being
You're
an-
not audible. I can't hear you properly. You're cracking.
So I just wanted to ask that what are journey as an mechanical engineer? Like what are the things that you have learned or something that has helped you throughout the journey, like being a mechanical engineer? Any
See, whatever I am doing today is core engineering. Okay, is absolute engineering. We're into manufacturing of coal gasifiers, cooling towers, air pollution control equipments, the designing of that, the designing of water line, designing of air line, designing of gas line, knowing the densities and the velocities, the designing of a structure, what should be the thickness. It's all mechanical engineering. So I am using mechanical engineering. I think most of my friends are not using. So I am totally depending on what I learned in this college. Okay. And it's helping everywhere. Even if you were not directly, for me, because I'm making the products and I'm designing the whole systems, for me, it is working out directly. But even if you are not doing that kind of a work, and I'll give an example, you are a cab owner. Engineering wahan bhi kaam aati hai, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. In your logical thinking, in your various other things, you can put GPS in the car. No? You can read it through. You can create a software. So engineering is everything. That is my bread and butter. Is going to be you guys' bread and butter also, directly or indirectly. Okay. That is going to help you 100%.
Thank you.
Okay, good question. Anybody else?
Good evening, sir. This is Tarun Pant, first year mathematics and computing. Sir, looking back at your college days, do you think like there will be any advice which you could give to your younger self or which we could implement in our lives?
वही तो अभी तक दे रहा था यार, और क्या कर रहा था अभी? यू टेल मी, क्या क्या एडवाइस दिया अभी तक?
सर, एक तो आपने कहा था कि एक चेयर पे खड़े होके 10 मिनट रोज बोलना है। सेकेंडली कॉन्फिडेंस जो है, मतलब यू वुड हैव, आपको लगेगा कि आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो, दैट इज ओके। तो ये दो चीजें तो काफी सही समझ आती हैं। समथिंग
हाँ,
एल्स
मैंने ये भी
लाइक,
बोला था कि आपस में इंटरेक्ट करो, बिकॉज तुम ही एक दूसरे के लिए हो। बाहर निकल के एक दूसरे की हेल्प करोगे, एलुमनाइज के कांटेक्ट में आओ, राइट। मैंने ये भी बोला था कि आपके अंदर एबिलिटी है, यू कीप जंपिंग, यू विल क्लिक ऑन टू समथिंग। मैंने ये भी बोला था कि यू शुड ट्राई एंड गो फॉर अ मीडियोकर कंपनी, नॉट नॉट बड़ी या छोटी। ओके। मैंने ये भी बोला था कि एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है तो क्या करना चाहिए, यू हैव टू डाई टू बिकम हेवन, गो टू हेवन। भूल गए? और कुछ और क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो पूछो ना। ओके, एनीबॉडी एल्स?
Hello, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask what inspired you to start the case groups and how your entrepreneur journey unfolded?
अच्छा, मैं व्हाट इज योर नेम?
Sir, Shaurya Gupta.
शौर्य, आपने मूछें ऐसी क्यों रखी हुई हैं, बताएगा?
Sir, style है sir.
हाँ, तो ये क्या है ना, आपके अंदर पहले स्टाइल आना चाहिए, ठीक
जी
है?
sir.
और फिर आपके अंदर बेशर्मी होनी चाहिए कि मैं ये ग्रुप स्टार्ट करूंगा या मूछें रखूंगा। अप्रिशिएट होना हो करने का ही है, राइट?
Thanks, sir.
तो ये दो चीजें आ जाएंगी तो बाकी चीज अपने आप हो जाती है, ऑलराइट। सी,
Sure,
क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू आर, ये टर्म सुनिए, beggars are not choosers,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So
Yes,
if
sir.
you want to achieve something in life, you want to become an entrepreneur, आपको घुसना ही है किसी चीज में पहले, ओके? तो वो किसी भी तरह से यू हैव टू गो एंड यू हैव टू हैव दैट बेंट ऑफ माइंड। सोचने से कुछ नहीं होगा, तुम्हारा बेंट ऑफ माइंड है तो घुस जाओगे तुम, ओके?
Yes, sir.
यू विल फाइंड अ वे टू गेट इनटू दैट एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इट इज। आपने एक चीज में एक पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट में खरीदी, एक चीज बना के एक पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट में बेची, बीच में प्रॉफिट है ना आपका, राइट? तो सबको
जी
समझ
sir.
आता है। बड़ी से बड़ी कंपनी का भी यही थ्योरी है, सबसे पान वाले का भी यही थ्योरी है, वो चेंज नहीं होता है, राइट? तो वो अगर चीज तुम्हारा फंडा क्लियर है तो बाकी सब सेकेंडरी हो जाता है। वेयर आर यू गेटिंग द मीन्स? इफ योर प्रोजेक्ट इज गुड इनफ, देयर विल बी मेनी पीपल टू फाइनेंस यू आल्सो। यू कैन फाइंड 101 ways to do it. I started the company from my own garage. My brother started from my own garage only. He started a hospital from a garage. तो जो चीज करनी है स्टार्ट तो हो जाएगी, उसमें क्या दिक्कत है, हो जाएगी। और नॉट ओनली मी, मैं दो तीन चीजें, मेरे बोलने का गलत मतलब नहीं निकालना। जितने भी नॉन पर्सनालिटीज हैं आपको जो सुनते हो, मार्क जुकरबर्ग और वो इंटेल का क्या नाम है उसका, दैट गाय, अपना अदानी, दे आर ऑल स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट्स and they all started their business from a garage. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. So उनमें एक चीज कॉमन थी, they wanted to do something without a fear of failure. All right? If you, and it is not that कि ये 4-5 लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया है या मैंने स्टार्ट किया, there will be lakhs of people. All right? वो, और उसमें सक्सेस रेट भी बुरी नहीं है, अच्छी है, क्योंकि यू हैव नथिंग टू लूज। तुमको फॉलो आउट ही नहीं है ना, पीछे क्या करोगे, तुमको तो आगे ही चलना है, तुम तो नीचे से स्टार्ट ही हो रहे हो।
Yes,
ओके,
sir.
मैंने क्यों बोला है कि अब शादी के बाद ये पॉसिबल मुश्किल हो जाता है, बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आर वेरी हाई। you have to get a particular amount of money at home to put the food on the table. ये मैं गर्ल्स के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, बॉयज के लिए भी बोल रहा हूँ, आजकल कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है। यू हैव टू, गर्ल्स को थोड़ा सा एडवांटेज है इंडिया के अंदर आज भी, इंटरनेशनली तो वो भी नहीं है एडवांटेज। ओके, so if you can take all the risks when you are still young and you are still don't have money responsibilities, you will excel faster because then you don't have the tension of नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा। You understand?
जी sir.
So that is the point. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good question. Good question.
Hello. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hi.
Myself,
Good
Sir
evening.
Sumesh, I'm currently studying in Year of Production Industrial Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Sir, I had a question that today, what I'm passion is may not be having the prospects in terms of money and scalability. So, as it is often said that we should be going with the passion that drives success to us. But the passion that we are having, maybe that industry or not be that scalable or not into the hot topics of the next decade. So how should we tackle it? Should we try to find a passion where money lies, or is it vice versa?
नहीं, ट्राई पैशन मनी लाइज तो सिर्फ स्मगलिंग करोगे और तो कोई तरीका नहीं है पैशन ढूंढने का जब जब मनी लाई करती है। स्मगलिंग के अलावा पैसा आसानी से कहीं नहीं आता। एक चीज ध्यान रखना, टेक्निकल आदमी के पास कभी पैसा नहीं होता। ओके, कभी नहीं होता। if you have knowledge, you will not have money. This is given by God. Okay, if you have knowledge, you will not have money. If you have money, you will not have knowledge. Okay, सुंदर लड़की हमेशा डम होती है, याद रखना। ओके, no offense to all the girls sitting here. Okay, you are all very very cute. So ये एक known fact है, right? जब जवानी होती है तब पैसा नहीं होता है, जब बुढ़ापे में पैसा होता है तब खा नहीं सकते। ओके, these are the measures which are given by God. Respect them. If you want to cross it, you have to do something different. All right? मार्क जुकरबर्ग ने अपना जब फेसबुक स्टार्ट किया था, उसने बाद में उसको मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स में वो शेयर वापस लिए हैं। आर यू अवेयर ऑफ दैट?
Yes, sir. Yes.
He sold his shares for nothing because he needed money at that time. Okay, so you have to take those calls. At that time he was not sure कि फेसबुक बनेगा भी कि नहीं बनेगा, तो उसके लिए वो भी बहुत अच्छा था। बट नाउ इट इज वो भी उसको मिलियन डॉलर तुम्हारे लिए, उसके लिए वो भी पीनट्स है। सो दीज कॉल्स यू हैव टू टेक। you follow your passion, money will follow you. Okay, just follow your passion, money will follow you. और आज के इकोसिस्टम में आपके वेंचर कैपिटल्स, आपके इन्वेस्टर्स जो हमारे टाइम पे नहीं था, आज बहुत है।
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
बहुत हैं, they are available online, they are available, आप नेट पे सर्च करोगे, they are available. Okay, if your ideas are good and they are workable, but should not be just an idea, it should be big and it should be something on the ground, substantial enough. They are very much available. People are minting money out of it. Why don't you? Okay, आजकल वो नहीं है, इतना ज्यादा वो नहीं। हमारे टाइम पे तो हमको पता ही नहीं था। अब हमने तो सब कुछ स्टार्टअप ही स्टार्ट किया। स्टार्टअप वर्ड ही अभी आया है, इट्स अमेरिकन वर्ड। Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
money will follow you if you have passion enough, but start doing something. Stop cribbing and start doing. That is the bottom line. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anybody else?
Good evening, sir. Myself Akash Ghosh from first year. Sir, what are the fundamentals to sustain a company business or entrepreneurship?
Wow. तो सारा लेक्चर दोबारा देना पड़ेगा। There is no. What is your name?
Sir, Akash.
Akash, there are no fundamentals of doing anything in life. Okay. There is nothing written in the book. First fundament you are crossing, you are becoming an engineer. All right. You are getting the basic knowledge. You are qualified to do something. All right.
Yes.
Now in that something you want to do a job, or you want to be self-employed, job for yourself, but still you need to work. You are not, without money you cannot become a businessman. Businessman sits and get the work job done. Self-employed has to work. All right.
Yes, sir.
So you have to become a self-employed person, work for yourself first if you want to become an entrepreneur. There is no hard and fast rule for that. There is no formula for that. There are many stories in front of you, just like I was giving you example of our Adani, Facebook, or Steve Jobs, Microsoft. All these guys, they all dropouts. Even this Tesla guy, he's also a dropout. Okay, Elon Musk. So all I'm trying to tell you is that you need that the gentleman before you ask this question, you have to have so much of passion, and your drive has to be so strong. दिन रात एक ही चीज सोचोगे तो उस डायरेक्शन में वो होगा भी. That is the only formula I can give you. You will find your own way. Whatever means you have, adopt them. Start them. Okay? I started my business from my own house. My house number.
Yeah.
That is how you do it. Okay? Means there is no certain, there is no formula. But if you want to do, that is the formula. Just follow that. Right?
Okay, sir. So one more question. How would you like to sustain your company as to make a difference from others?
अभी तुमने जो हेडफोन लगाए हैं कौन सी कंपनी के हैं?
Sir, bold.
क्यों लिए हैं इसके? सस्ते थे?
No, sir. That is a moderate price.
और सुनता भी ठीक है,
Yes.
है ना? स्टूडेंट्स में पॉपुलर भी होगा.
हाँ.
बोस के क्यों नहीं लिए?
Some about price थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, इससे थोड़ा सा डेफिनेटली ज़्यादा हियरिंग में ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है नहीं, बट मॉडल वगैरह.
लेकिन जॉब करोगे तो बोस का लेने का है ना? बाद में तो लोगे.
यस सर.
लोगे ना?
Sure.
हाँ, तो ये एक वैल्यू बनाती है कंपनी. तुम्हारे लेवल में जो वैल्यू बनाई हुई है वो तुमने खरीदा हुआ है. बोस का जो वैल्यू बनाई हुई है तुम 4-5 साल के बाद वो खरीदोगे अगर तुमको म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्ट है तो. ओके, दैट इज हाउ निश इज क्रिएटेड बाय ऑल द कंपनीज इन देयर ओन स्फेयर. ऑलराइट?
Okay.
If I am making a product, I know the market, I know the demand. अगर उसमें मेरे जो फीचर्स हैं कंपनी के, मेरे प्रोडक्ट के, अगर वो सूटेबल होगा तो बेटा वो बिकेगा. नहीं तो मैं घर पे बैठा हूँगा. ओके?
Yes, sir.
There is no
Okay, sir.
second
Thank
thought
you.
about it. Welcome.
Thank
Anybody else?
Sir, can you give us some startup ideas in today's field? Or
बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है. सुबह उठ के लॉन्ड्री स्टार्ट करो. तुम्हारे कॉलेज में अच्छा वो नहीं है लॉन्ड्री वाला. अगर तुम कर सकते हो, बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है. हाँ, स्टार्ट करो. तुम अगले दिन से पैसा कमाने लग जाओगे. जितना कॉलेज में खर्चते हो उससे ज्यादा कमा लोगे. कर लोगे?
सर ऑलरेडी है.
वही तो है ना,
machines, सब
ऑलरेडी है.
उसके अलावा कोई idea?
कितने पैसे लेता है वो?
40.
हाँ, तो तुम 30 में दो ना. क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
सब वॉशिंग में उसके अलावा कोई आइडियाज?
What is your name?
Anitya Saxena.
Anitya Saxena. See, it depends on what interest you have. मैं कई लोगों को बोलता हूँ कि साड़ी बेचने वाले की जो दुकान है दिल्ली में, वो शायद मेरे से ज़्यादा पैसे कमाता है. ओके? कैन यू डू दैट? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. बीइंग एन इंजीनियर, कैन यू डू दैट? You will not. So you will also never become a dhobi. Okay? That is the difference of being an engineer and being a non-technical person. Okay? Now that you're doing an engineering, you have to start up ideas. कोई तुमको दे नहीं सकता, किसी से पूछना भी ना. That has to come from your own brain, otherwise you're good for nothing. Okay? अगर तुम आइडिया नहीं ला सकते, तुम्हारे अंदर तो 100 आइडिया होने चाहिए. तुमको ये पूछना चाहिए, सर ये आइडिया कैसा है? That is a better question.
Sir, there is one question from my side, like if the students they are able to think up of a startup, can we expect some kind of hand holding from your side?
प्रतिभा जी, मैं तो अब मैं क्या बताऊं स्टूडेंट्स के सामने। मैं तो ये चाहता हूं कि आप प्रोजेक्ट्स लेके आओ अपनी लैब्स के अंदर, मैं तो उनको स्पॉन्सर करने को भी रेडी हूं। ओके, आप अपनी लैब्स के अंदर लेके तो मैकेनिकल लैब में मैंने दीक्षित जी यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, इज स्टिल देयर सर, आर यू देयर? ये प्रतिभा जी वही क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हैं।
हुई थी बात ठीक है बात,
मैं स्पॉन्सर करने को तैयार हूं प्रोजेक्ट्स को,
हुई थी बात सर।
और आई एम रेडी टू go to any extent for good projects. Okay, you and let me tell you, let me open my heart to you guys. It is not students को क्या है, प्रतिभा जी, जितने ज्यादा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेंगे उतना अच्छा वो ग्रो करेंगे, राइट? तो एनकरेजमेंट अगर स्टूडेंट्स को मिलता है कि आप कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट लाओ अपने लैब में, उसको स्टार्ट करो, लैब के अंदर जो मीन स्टूडेंट्स को चाहिए, वी आर रेडी टू स्पॉन्सर दैट। ओके, वो कम से कम करने वाले तो बने। मैं एक चीज सबको बोलना चाहता हूं जो कि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। आज जितने भी ब्रांड्स हैं कॉलेजेस के, इंस्टीट्यूट्स के, चाहे आईआईटीज हों, चाहे आईआईएम्स हों, चाहे आईवी लीग्स के, हार्वर्ड हो, चाहे स्टैनली हो, चाहे बर्कलेज हो, they are all known by their alumni. How successful are their alumni, not what is in the college. Let us be very very clear. Alumni तब अच्छे बनते हैं, people do better if they are given better, it's a catch-22 situation, better facilities in the college. हार्वर्ड का ईमेल अभी मेरा बेटा पास आउट हो चुका है, वहां से अभी तक यूज कर रहा है। They are connected with that email, all the students. Okay, you please make a network of alumni and students together, give a platform to them कि एक आप बल्कि स्टार्ट करिए कि आप लैब्स के अंदर अपने आइडिया ला सकते हैं और उसको एक कमेटी बना के पास करिए। आई एम गिविंग यू एश्योरेंस कि alumni will help in whichever way possible to make it a success. Okay, and your college should be proud that your alumni is in such a position कि मैं confidently ये चीज बोल सकता हूँ, from my side also and from my friends side also. I will be most happy कि हमारे कॉलेज का नाम ऊपर हो, और वो इन्हीं चीजों से होता है, प्रोजेक्ट से होता है, इवन टीचर्स के थीसिस से होता है। You guys know it, how many papers you guys are submitting, what are the projects done by the students, what is the placement of the alumni, how well the alumni is doing the college. इन्हीं के मार्क्स है ना दीक्षित सर, राइट? इसी से यूनिवर्सिटी के नंबर मिलते हैं और हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट के नंबर बनेंगे। अगर हम इन चीज को बढ़ा सकते हैं सर, मैं तो हमेशा आप लोगों के साथ खड़ा हूँ। यू कैन कॉल मी एट मिडनाइट, नो प्रॉब्लम।
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
मोस्ट वेलकम।
Thank you all for your wonderful questions. And thank you once again, Roger sir, for your thoughtful and detailed responses. It's been a privilege to have you with us today.
Let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Roger.
ओके, यू गाइस आर मोस्ट वेलकम। बच्चा पार्टी, मैं एक चीज बोलना चाहता हूं तुमको। मेरा नंबर प्रतिभा मैम दीक्षित सर के पास है। इंडिविजुअली कोई भी कभी भी फोन करना चाहे मुझे कभी भी कर सकता है। यू गाइस आर माय एक्सटेंशन, एज आई टोल्ड यू इन द बिगिनिंग। आई कंसिडर यू पार्ट ऑफ मी, ओके, एंड आई वांट यू गाइस टू एक्सेल, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑल्सो, टीचर्स ऑल्सो एंड स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो। सो प्लीज हेल्प अस मेक योरसेल्फ बेटर, ऑलराइट? चलो, थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच। It was a pleasure coming here, everyone. Really my honor.
So it was an honor for us to have you here interacting
And-
with the students.
And very good session. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, sir.
As we draw today's alumni As we draw today's alumni colloquium to a close, we want to thank you all once again for being a part of this wonderful event. It's been an absolute pleasure to reconnect with all of you and share the incredible achievements of our alumni community.
We hope that today's sparked meaningful conversations, rekindled old friendships, and renewed your sense of pride in being a part of NIT family. Together, we continue to shape the future while cherishing our past.
Before we say goodbye, please remember to stay connected with the Alumni Network and continue to support the next generation of students here. We look forward to seeing you all again at the future gatherings every Wednesday at the Senate Hall.
And with that, we bid you farewell for now, but not goodbye. Until next time, take care, stay in touch, and keep the NIT Kurukshetra spirit alive. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.